Are you looking for best washing machine cleaner? Our experts found thousands of feedback online for best washing machine cleaner and shortlisted them. This suggestion is created for those looking for their ideal best washing machine cleaner. You can find more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned in the description below. A fresh washing machine cleaner and machine cleaning wipes are designed to clean the inside and outside of all washing machines. To use the cleaner, make sure all clothing and items have been removed from the washing machine first. Then, place one tablet directly into the washer. Next, select a normal or heavy cycle with the hot water setting. If your washer has a clean cycle, then select clean. For machines with a noticeable odor, run 3 consecutive cycles, using one tablet for each cycle. And be sure to use once a month to keep your washing machine looking like new. Cleaning the outside of your washing machine is easy too. Simply remove a wipe from the pouch, making sure to reseal it. Then, wipe the machine using both sides as you clean. When you're finished, dispose of the wipe in the trash. Never flush it. Use weekly to help keep your machine looking like new. And when used together with the cleaner, you can complete your clean.
These little tablets right here have an instant cleaning powder that will remove all odors from your washing machine.
Was a game changer. Once you use these, your clothes smell so much better, they look so much brighter.
Ever use laundry machines filled with grime, soap, scum, calcium, and lime?
All you have to do is turn it on in normal wash with hot water and let the tablet clean, deodorize, refresh, and protect your washing machine.
I'm telling you guys, you need this product.
Clothes will come out so clean and smelling fresher than ever.
Taking a hit out now is all part of the game. So is taking a hit in here. Hit back with OxyClean with odor buzzers. It eliminates the top odors. Taking a hit out now is all part of the game. So is taking a hit in here. Hit back with OxyClean with odor buzzers. It eliminates the top odors.